Starting an LLC in Florida is easier than you might think. And today, I'm going to walk you through the steps so you can set up your business the right way. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Florida requires the name to be unique, so you'll want to run a quick search on the Florida Division of Corporations website. Also, your name has to include LLC, or Limited Liability Company, at the end. Once you have your name, the next step is filing your Articles of Organization with the Florida Division of Corporations. You can do this online or by mail, and the filing fee is usually around $125. This document officially establishes your LLC. After that, it's a smart idea to create an operating agreement. Florida doesn't legally require it, but having one in place helps outline how your company will be managed and how profits or responsibilities are divided among members. Next, you'll need to apply for an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, through the IRS. It's free and only takes a few minutes online. You'll need this number for taxes, opening a business bank account, or hiring employees. Finally, Florida requires you to file an annual report each year to keep your LLC active. The deadline is May 1st, and there's a filing fee to keep your company in good standing. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Florida, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.